Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to get free gym membership with United Healthcare. In order to do that, first of all you have to check your eligibility. This program is available to most AARP or United Health Medical Care Advantage plan members at no additional cost. Now, how to enroll it? Check if your medical plan includes Renew Active by visiting their website, which is United Healthcare, or you can just contact their customer service for the assistance. Now, uh, this is the subscription-based fitness program providing access various gym nationwide. Now, what is the feature? Flexibility, flexible membership, tiers based on fitness goals, no long-term contracts or annual fees, ability to add family members at a discounted prices. So how to access? First of all, you have to log in into your United Healthcare account and navigate to the coverage and benefit section to see if one pass select is available under the plan. Now, healthcare discount program. United Healthcare offer a health discount program that may include gym discounts. Now, to steps to access that, visit myuhc.com and log into your register. If it is your first visit, then you have to sign up. Then click on the health and wellness tab, then exclusive health discount. Now follow the prompts to access the discount on the fitness club and activities. Now some plans may offer reimbursement for gym membership, but this can be vary significantly by employer and plan type. So, by utilizing these resources, you can potentially secure a free or discounted gym membership through your United Healthcare plan.